Hello, this is RingRing. Welcome to the Kotlin Multiplatform learning series for Android engineers. In this video, we'll be diving into HTTP communication and JSON parsing in the native UI version of the official tutorial. HTTP communication and JSON parsing are essential for accessing servers in mobile applications. So let's get proficient with them. In the official tutorial, we'll be using HttpClient for HTTP communication. Ktor is an asynchronous framework developed by JetBrains for creating Kotlin-native microservices and web applications for JSON parsing. The official tutorial utilizes Kotlin's serialization. A serialization library developed by Kotlin. Let's take a look at some actual code. First, we'll create an HTTP client. During HTTP client creation, we'll install ContentNegotiation for serialization. Then we'll add settings for JSON serialization. Setting pretty print to true will format the output JSON for readability. Setting is lenient to true, makes the parser tolerant of non-strict JSON formats such as unquoted keys or special numerical representation. Setting ignore hump non keys to true makes the serializer ignore keys present in JSON but not corresponding to properties in Kotlin data classes. In this example, we're accessing the SpaceX API with the created HTTP client using the get method. Next, let's examine the data model classes. By adding at serializable to a class, it becomes automatically serializable. Since the field names differ from the actual API names, we redefine them using @serial name. Through the implementation so far, the tutorial retrieves the launch date of the last successful rocket launch from the list of rocket launches that came from SpaceX. Thank you for watching. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon. Stay tuned for more Kotlin multi-platform content. Until next time, happy coding.